Hi, in today's video we want to talk about cut, copy and paste. So we have the symbols here in the top. You can see cut, copy and paste. Let's write 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's increase the font. And now let's suppose I want to cut this one from here and paste it after the 4. Very easy. The shortcut is Ctrl X or press here. We place the cursor where we need and we click on paste. Now let's suppose I want to copy. I want to have after 1 I need again 2 and 3. So I select what I need, click on copy or Ctrl C from the keyboard, space, paste. Okay, let's undo or press here, paste. Now, what options do we have in paste? What are the difference between these ones? So, for example, if I copy from internet, including maybe headings, images, if I'm pasting this text, I have hyperlinks, I have a text with bold, underline, images, headings. You can see on the right, I have headings, I have a section. All the text is in a section. I have a lot of hyperlinks to Hamas, to Gaza, flooding, and so on, to every element from that page. Maybe I need a simple text just to insert in a project. So let's undo. And let's suppose I have a paragraph before. And after this, I need to paste from my source. So I copy from the source, right click, and I have unformatted text. Or from here, I have unformatted text. So now what I don't need, I remove, and everything else, it's easy to edit. Everything looks very nice. So I don't have hyperlinks, I don't have bold, I don't have anything else. I don't have images, frames, nothing. You can see it's very clean. Or if I copy like before, you remember I have a lot of things here. I have to clean everything. I need to remove the section and so on. It's a lot to work. So the simple option is unformatted text, but of course you lose hyperlinks, images. If you need that image, very easy, copy image, paste, and I can change that. Very useful to have the shortcuts, so you find all of them here in edit. You can see cut it's Ctrl X, copy it's Ctrl C, paste, a normal paste is Ctrl V, and special paste is here. If you want a dialog for paste special, you press Shift Ctrl V, or if you want directly unformatted text, Shift Ctrl Alt V. Let's try. So I select everything, copy, and here Ctrl Shift Alt and V. And I have everything I selected. That was all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.